The Tumbleweed Pet Poo Worm Farm is an in-ground composting solution for pet manure and kitchen scraps. The unique non-slip foot pedal operates a hinged lid which keeps it vermin-proof to ensure all of that organic goodness goes straight back into your soil. Easy to assemble with strong and reliable Australian design, the Tumbleweed Pet Poo Worm Farm is an environmentally responsible way to compost pet manure and kitchen scraps. A great waste management solution at home to make use of all that organic fertiliser that can go straight back into your soil. Assembly of the Tumbleweed Pet Poo Worm Farm is easy. Firstly, assemble the pedal mechanism. Secondly, insert the pedal bar onto the rear body, then slide the body halves together and secure them with the supplied screws, washers and nuts. Finally, slide the lid onto the lifting bar and insert and secure the lid axle. You're now ready to install the unit so that it's buried up to there, perfect next to a fruit tree which will benefit from all the nutrients. For a complete how-to guide, watch our Pet Poo Worm Farm video on this site or follow the instruction manual supplied. You'll find our product in the home garden aisle at your local Bunnings store. Happy worm farming!